So today I got a couple of old gas tanks that I need cleaned out. They're looking pretty they're pretty crusty inside. Got all that loose stuff. They smell like varnish. I need a usable tank. This is off like a 71 CL. There's like some serious nasty stuff in there. I don't know if you see in there. But I want to get all that crap out of there. I got a Super Hawk tank. It's all crusty and rusty in there. I need to clean these out, and I'm going to show you how I do it. First thing I do is get a piece of carpet. Do this outside. And some rubber boots. I got a pressure washer, and I'm going to pressure wash them out. To start, you want to get the gas camp off. You want to get the petcocks off. You want them just open. Okay, remove these. All the hoses are removed, so the water will flow up through them and the crap will go with it. You're gonna need a little bit of degreaser. This is what I use. Get it at the dollar store. Something to cut surface tension. I'm gonna fire up the power washer and get this thing cranking. Alright, we did a preliminary clean. We'll check them out and see how they turned out. Top's pretty clean. There's still some in there. I made a special nozzle out of an old nozzle, and I basically plugged the end and drilled a hole in the side so I can get a different angle on it. Changed out the nozzle, and now it sprays up. Now I'm going to get the top side of the tank with the pressure washer. Some good bullshit out of there. Look at that crap. Okay, I put the fuel valve back on the gas tank. Shake out as much water as I can. Now, you gotta do this step so that it doesn't flash rust. I got about a half a gallon of gas here, and I'm gonna pour some motor oil in it. A few ounces. You ain't gotta put a ton in. And what that's gonna do, I'm going to put a little more in, this is ethanol based fuel, and it absorbs moisture. And the oil is going to oil the tank on the inside so it doesn't flash rust. So I've mixed this up. Shake it up real good. And just use the same motor oil you put in your transmission on your bike. And then I'm just gonna pour it in here. Left in there, and oil the tank all at once. Put the cap on. shake that thing around to catch all the moisture. Release that pressure. Then I'm going to take a 5-gallon bucket and I'm going to dump the gas in the thing. Sloshing around while I do it. I'm going to let that sit and the water will separate out from the fuel. You can see in the tank or in the fuel that it's kind of milky because there's water in there. But I can also see how much silt and other crap that was left in the tank. And there looks like hardly any. So I'll let that sit for about 10 minutes and then I'll pour it back into this tank to clean that one out. I blocked off the petcock so it doesn't leak. So here we go. I'm going to pour it slow to keep any crap that's in the bottom of the bucket in the bucket. Well, now this tank don't smell like varnish anymore. I've gotten all the water out of it. I can just leave the cap off, let it air dry, and it has a nice coating of oil on it. So here's what I got out of the tank. You can see how cloudy the water is. There's water in that fuel, which was in the tank. You know, these tanks can sit and dry, and they aren't brand new, but they don't look too bad inside. Definitely functional. Your tank's never going to be any better than what you started out with. I don't like coatings and I don't use them. They don't last. The fuel gets underneath them and peels, and then you got bigger problems. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.